Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, wherever you're watching this video from. So we are going to do another chord pattern study, and we are going to be playing in the key of G. So how do we figure out what our chords are? We want the 1, the 4, and the 5. So if G is 1, G, A, B, C is the 4 chord, and D is the 5 chord. Now today we're going to be playing D7 with this chord pattern. So we are playing G, D7, or I'm sorry, C, and D7. So we're going to do our basic strumming of 8 strums per chord. I will call out what the next chord is that we're going to be playing, and you are going to see how fast you progress, going from 7 or 8 strums from one chord to the next, all the way down to 1 strum per chord. Okay, so here we go. We are starting on G, and we're going to take it nice and slow so you have plenty of time to switch. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. C. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. D7. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back to G. 4, 5, 6, 7. Now C. 6, 7. D7. 5, 6, 7, 8. Back to G. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now C. D7. 6, 7. Now G. C. 5, 6, 7, 8. D7. 5, 6, 7. One more time all the way through. G. C. 6, 7, 8. D7. And 1 strum on G. Okay, practice that over and over and over until you go from 7 or 8 strums between chord changes to just 1. I know you can do it. Have fun learning the guitar.